All right, guys, hey, we are to the powder coating stage now. We've got the machined part of the wheel completely done. I do apologize, we didn't get a lot of footage of the work. I just didn't want to draw the video out, but basically we had it on the turntable on the tire machine. We used 320 grit sandpaper, and we held it steady as the wheel turned around, which put in almost perfectly round lines into the wheel. And then we taped all of this off, put it into the sandblaster, and we sandblasted the face, the inside and the outside. And these wheels have just got out of the oven. We outgassed them for about a half hour at 450 degrees, and now we're going to apply the clear coat to the wheel, which you have to put on this part to keep it protected so that you no longer have to keep polishing the wheel. And then when it comes out, we're going to let it cool down, and then we're going to do our two-tone with the matte, semi-matte black for the face, the inside for corrosion protection, and then the back side, which you'll see. Tonight, it's late. Well, not super late, but it's 6:30, and I've been here since 8, so I don't want to be here forever. We're going to clear coat them tonight, and then we'll get them in the oven, get them fully cured out, and then we'll let them cool overnight. We'll start up tomorrow, which you won't see any delay because editing. So let's get going. Powder now. Unfortunately, I thought I was recording, but I wasn't, and we started cleaning them up. But we're going to just do a time lapse and show you how we clean up the wheel. We're going to use a little bit of the finger swipe method with a little bit of the vacuum. There's quite a bit of powder up top here, and as you wipe it off, it falls onto the spokes, which is not what we want to do. So sit back, grab yourself a cold drink, and let's get this done. this is the final product of our two-tone Porsche 911 SE Targa wheels. So I'm pretty dang happy with how they worked out. There's some pitting in there, but it's pretty minimal. So we're pretty happy. We'll get the tires mounted, balanced, and back to the customer. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give us a big old thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.